Run it out, Ant. Oh, there it goes.
Watch three, watch three.
Good job, Andrew. Andrew, you went in front of the third baseman. Next time, go behind him. You go in front of that baseman.
Good try, Case.
Good job. Right. That's the last one. Remember that.
Go get it! Go get it!
Oh!
Nice grab.
And what?
Oh, there you go.
What is he doing?
Back to the pitcher.
Don't hold it! Throw it!
What is he doing?
Get back, Ant! Get back, Ant!
Somebody back up to third baseman. Back up to third baseman.
Slide it!